Welcome back to the Android development tutorial for beginner series. In the last video, we have seen the basics of Android Studio, the Android project structure, the layout editor, the Java and XML classes, the Android manifest file, etc. And now let's see how to build your app using Android Studio and how to run it on an Android emulator. An Android emulator simulates Android devices on your computer so that you can test your application on a variety of devices and Android API levels without needing to have each physical device. You can simulate incoming phone calls and text messages, specify the location of the device, simulate different network speeds, access the Google Play Store, and much more. So testing your app on the emulator is in some ways faster and easier than doing so on a physical device. Now let's see how to create an emulator using Android Studio. In the toolbar, you can see the AVD manager. Open the AVD manager. Here I already have a Android virtual device, that is Pixel 3a emulator. Now let's see how to create a new emulator. For that, click on Create Virtual Device. In this window, you can select which type of device you are going to create. Either it's a Wear OS emulator, tablet emulator, or TV or phone. Under phone, you have different options to select: Pixel devices, Nexus devices, other 3.7, 4-inch, 5-inch devices. For this demo, I will select a Nexus 4 device and click Next. In this window, you have to select which operating system you want to install on your emulator. You can download any of these versions. I already downloaded Oreo. If I want to install Android Pie, I can download from this link. This package has around 1 GB to download. It may take a lot of time to download, but you can do this. For now, I'm canceling this and I would like to go with the Oreo. And click Next. Here you can give any custom name for your Android virtual device. The selected phone is Nexus 4, 4.7 inch, 768 into 1280 pixel resolution. And the selected Android version is Oreo, Android 8.1. Startup orientation is portrait. If I go to advanced settings, there we can see the camera. If you have a webcam, you can use your webcam as the camera of your emulator. Back camera, visual scenes, network, full speed, edge, GPRS, GSM, anything you can select. Boot options, call boot, quick boot, how many cores you need in your emulator, the RAM of your device, for SD card how much storage you need to allocate. If you want to see the device frame, you can click on that. You can give it that Nexus 4 skin for the device, or you can also select other device skins. And finish. Yeah, now another device added to my virtual device manager. So to start this Nexus 4 AVD, I can click on launch this AVD in the emulator. Here you can see the progress in the bottom. Yes, our emulator is ready to work now. It has almost all features of a real device. Now this is more or less same as a fresh Android device. You can select photographs. Here's a virtual scene. You can click on that. So this is the photo we have just captured. Also here a lot of options available to set up the Android emulator. Here you can mock a phone call device, decline. You can type any text messages and send to the device. Hello, this is a test message. Send message. The message has come up. Also you can change the location of the device and the battery percentage, battery level you can reduce, network speed you can change. So it has almost all features of your real device. The back button, home button, and the recent screen button. You can also rotate your device to landscape mode. We can change the volume. So our emulator is ready to work. Now let's see how to run our application to this emulator. Here in the toolbar of Android Studio you can see the attached devices. So Nexus 4 is our device. Nearby you can see a play button, that's the run app button. Alternately you can click on Shift F10. Here the Gradle build is running. Yes, this is our application. So if you go back, here you can see our application, my first app. This is the app icon. Clicking on that, we can launch the application. And let's do some change in the app and see how it works. In the hello world, let's change the text as this is my first app, and increase the font size to text size as 24 sp, and text color as black. Also let's change our screen background. You can give the RGB color code hash F8. You can see the corresponding color in the left hand side, and if you can click on that and change whatever color you want. Now let's see the change in our device. Click run. Yes, now our app has changed. So hope you understand how to run your application on an Android emulator. In the first video we have seen how to create your first Android project, and in the second video we have seen how to work with the Android Studio layout editor, the project structure, the basic Android Studio features and all. And in this video we have learned how to run your application to an Android emulator. So in the coming videos, let's go more deeper into the Android features and more components. To get notified on future videos, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.